Macs and PCs have been locked in an epic battle for many years, and if you have your basic keyboard shortcuts under control, you know that Mac and Windows shortcuts are different. We're talking about Control-C, that's copy for PC, or Command-C, that's copy for Mac. Hey guys, Jessica Naziri here with Softonic.com, the leading global software and app discovery destination, offering the most complete selection of software and apps across hundreds of categories. We all work with a lot of documents on the Mac, but a quick keyboard command can save you precious seconds of time when performing certain tasks, like formatting text or moving files, and those seconds quickly add up. Brainscape estimates that the average worker could save 8 full working days per year by employing keyboard shortcuts. Now that's a lot of time. There are endless shortcuts available, truly endless since you can customize them yourself, but you don't need to memorize them all. Only those you expect to use the most. Here are 5 of the best keyboard shortcuts for handling everything from formatting to text selection and beyond. Once you start using these regularly, you'll wonder why you even bothered with the mouse. Number 1, Shift plus Command plus Q. Logs you out of your Mac operating system account, so you'll be asked to confirm. Number 2, take a screenshot or a photo of your screen by using Shift Command 4. Number 3, minimize the window you're currently in by using Command M. To minimize all windows, Option Command M. Number 4, Command T. Whether you're in a web browser like Safari or Chrome or in the Finder itself, this keyboard shortcut will open a new tab for you. Number 5, Command X, Command C, and Command V. These 3 are the things I use most often when it comes to my writing life. So mousing up to the edit menu in an app to choose these functions from a menu makes me cringe. Learn all 3 essential shortcuts: Command X for cut, Command C for copy, and Command V for paste. Go figure. And you'll save a ton of time every single day. There you have it, a quick list of all the essential Mac keyboard shortcuts. Do you have any favorite shortcuts we should know about? Leave your comments below. Would you like to know more helpful Mac shortcuts? Then make sure to check out the link below to our article on Softonic.com. And if you liked our video, do click on that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to receive more tips like these.